Want to make your own hotel booking website in Wix for 2025? Start by choosing a Wix Hotels template or a modern business layout. Add your hotel name, location, and high-quality images of rooms and amenities. Go to the Add Maps section and install Wix Hotels by Wix. This powers your booking engine. Set up your room types, likely rates, and availability calendar. Add features like Wi-Fi, breakfast, or parking to make each room stand out. Next, connect your payment methods, PayPal, card, or manual bank transfer through the Wix Payments dashboard. Customize your booking forms so guests can select check-in and check-out dates, number of guests, and special requests. Then add SEO-friendly descriptions for each room to help your site rank better. Finally, preview everything on mobile and desktop to make sure it's smooth and fast. And that's it. Your hotel booking website is ready to take guests online. Perfect for hotels, resorts, or even Airbnb style rentals built right inside Wix.